Hey everyone, welcome back. This past weekend we surprised my friend with a trip to Alaska. Come along for the ride.
No way!
What? You?
My friend's name is Matt.
Tara, leave.
Matt wasn't the only one coming to Alaska. Our friend John also joined us for the weekend.
Hey, buddy! Surprise! How you doing?
What? I knew that. Are you going to Alaska?
I'm going to Alaska. Where are you going?
I'm going to...
Of course, a good weekend in Alaska has to start out with some Moose's Tooth pizza. We finally got everybody out to the cabin and put them right to work.
A bit of an emergency. All the friends are here to stay. The outhouse isn't done. So we got all hands on deck. Getting ready. Those two are the 19s.
There's the 19s that need to go back.
Yep, those should go to the back. Must be a government job. The one person
Do you care if this is level?
You can just line up with that one in the back.
Yeah.
Then you're good.
Alright. You just want me to toenail it? Is that all you want?
Yeah. £1,700 shear strength, deck screws. We'll be fine. Easy. You want to do two?
Oh, now you want to do two.
I think we want to do two for the lack of warpage.
I will have a start to finish video coming after we actually get the outhouse finished. But functional was all we were going for before the fun could begin. And this John is John approved. Having a cabin on a lake is awesome, but hard to enjoy the fun water sports when the lake is frozen. So we improvise. Matt is a bit of an aviation nut. He quite enjoyed the busy air traffic in the area, including our friend stopping by in his Piper on skis. Little did he know, John and I had been working out the biggest surprise yet.
Always ready.
What is your sneaky suspicion?
I don't know. That I have to look up?
That's awesome!
What's going on? This is very weird. We're just out in the middle of the lake waiting.
I've never been in a helicopter before. So you just go one at a time. Matt, you're sitting in front. Just go one at a time. Thank you.
Doors open. And I'll shut your door.
Thank you.
If you want to go on an adventure like this, contact Mark at Sheep Mountain Lodge. The rest of the weekend was filled with food, games, a little ice fishing, great conversation, and laughing until we cried. All good things must come to an end, but memories last forever, especially if you upload them onto YouTube. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.